how to change Facebook page URL. In this video, I will show you how to do that step by step. Okay, so right now I am on my page. So what we need to do is go to the profile icon here, click on settings and privacy, and click on settings, and here search settings. So type user name. Okay, so choose the name here and go to this place name, click view. Okay, and here username. So click edit, and here you can type the username that you want. So just don't forget, you can't put invalid characters or spaces on the URL. Okay, so for me, for example, I will type, for example, that. Okay, this is just for explanation. Okay, so the username is available. So what we need to do right now is save changes. Okay, so here put the keyword that you want to put it on the Facebook page URL. Okay, so I click save changes or save changes. Wait a few seconds. Okay, so it's done. So if we search again and we want to check the Facebook page URL, as you can see here, it's done. Okay, so this is how you can change Facebook page URL easy and quick. If you like the video, subscribe my channel, like, and share the video with your friends. Thank you.